Hey there, welcome to BeTech. In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover Android phone data. Losing data from our smartphone can be very frustrating, especially when it contains important information such as contacts, photos, videos, and messages. Luckily, there are tools available that can help us recover lost data. One of the best tools in the market is Wondershare Dr.Fone, which is known for its effectiveness and ease of use. In this video, we will walk you through the process of using Dr.Fone to recover lost data from your phone. The first step in using Dr.Fone is to download and install the software. You can get the software from the Wondershare website, or the link is available in the video description. Once downloaded, follow the installation instructions provided to complete the installation process. Once Dr.Fone is installed, launch the program. Wondershare Dr.Fone Toolkit is like a superhero for your phone. It helps you when you forget your phone password, bringing back your access in no time. It can also recover your deleted photos, videos, and messages, so you never lose your special moments. If you are getting a new phone, Dr.Fone makes sure all your WhatsApp chats and stuff move with you. It can also repair iOS and Android system and fix iTunes errors. With this, you can also change GPS location for iOS and Android devices. So you can see this software has a bunch of cool features. It's like magic, unlocking, recovering, transferring, and fixing all in one toolkit. So to recover data, click on Data Recovery, then choose your phone system, Android or iPhone. It can also recover data from Google Drive, it can recover WhatsApp data, and it can also recover data from broken phone. But we want to recover Android data, so we will choose this option. Once your phone is connected, select the type of data you want to recover, such as contacts, messages, photos or videos, and click on Start Scan. Dr.Fone will start scanning your phone for the selected data. This process may take several minutes depending on the amount of data on your phone. You can pause or stop the scanning process at any time by clicking on the Stop button. Once the scanning process is complete, Dr.Fone will display a list of all the recoverable data. You can preview the data to verify that it's what you are looking for. On the left side, you can see the category like photos, videos, audio, messages, contacts, call history, and documents. Select the data you want to recover and click on the Recover button. Dr.Fone will then save the recovered data to your computer. That's it. Using Wondershare Dr.Fone is a quick and easy way to recover lost data from your Android phone. So we hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question, and I will see you in the next video.